Well, this video is going to be short. This is either going to be better or worse, or maybe just the same. I actually have not tried it yet. So, here we go. Oh, don't worry. I'll run it at high speed so you don't need to watch me for 5 minutes or whatever here. So, here we go. Without question, it's a lot better. I don't know if it's as good as when it was new, but it's a lot better. Hasn't been that good for 4 years. I'm happy. Feeling my face right now, I would have to say yes, it's as good as when it was new. It might even be better. It's possible.